Build this PDF Bro n8n node for manipulating the PDFs and all. And obviously, it can be used for generating invoices all within your n8n instance. And by using this, PDF tool, you can obviously be, compliant to many data privacy laws because you're not even going to send any external API requests just to manipulate some PDFs or just to create some invoices. There is no need for you to create or send any API requests because the whole operations will be done within your own server or within your own system where the n8n was hosted, or it will works just like this. And it was already been downloaded 2500 times and it's been just one single day. So here Here, there is a sample workflow, I mean, at least the use case, where it really generates an invoice and send it to the client whenever a payment got captured. Okay, so this was the simple use case. So what can we do here is we can obviously you know test the workflow. So I'm going to do I'm going to send a test payment completion thing so that the workflow get triggered. So let's wait for it. Yeah, I just sent it and just have a look. The whole thing, I mean, the PDF, the invoice generation, and the even the email sending was also completed all within 2 seconds, which was, industry record standard. So, let's just see how exactly the sample invoice simply, was visible. Just have a look at this elegant and clean invoice over here. And obviously, every single thing was completely, editable. Just have a look over here. See, every single thing was completely dynamic. So I'm not even hard coding anything, at least for now. So that's it for today, guys.